Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can set up a TikTok account profile in 2026. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open TikTok app. After TikTok, click your profile. After click your profile, click your picture. Take your photo and upload photo. For example, take photo. Allow. For example, this is my profile picture. Save a post and click a picture, upload photo, and next, this is your profile. Save a post, click post this photo story and save. One refresh. Very easy. My profile is set in account TikTok. Okay, like the video and subscribe. Take full channel. Good luck.